What's up? In today's video I'm going to do a HUGGER MUGGER unboxing. I'm not one to have a lot of yoga props, but I've been pretty much exclusively practicing at home for the past 2 years because that's just mom life. If you want to check out some cool yoga props that I'm adding to my collection, then please keep watching. Thanks. First up, I added some Cork yoga blocks to my collection because I've been doing more restorative yoga and 2 yoga blocks just isn't enough for me anymore. I used to go to the yoga studio. They had all the props there. Now I need a little bit more in my collection. I added a yoga strap. I got the 6-inch and the color natural. Again, I have 1 yoga strap, but in restorative yoga, I like having 2 straps so I can bind my legs, my thighs and my calves together. Silk eye bag for some relaxing during Shavasana. Ooh, I can't wait to try this one out. This is gonna be nice. Ooh, it smells good too. Okay, this is why the order was placed. I have been practicing with just pillows around my house, either on my couch or on my bed, and there's nothing like a firm yoga bolster, and HUGGER MUGGER makes a firm one. All the yoga studios that I've been to, they have, I can go over some different brands later, but the HUGGER MUGGER, in my opinion, it's firm and it's supportive, which is what I'm looking for in restorative yoga. To go under my legs. Then last but not least, I got 2 sandbags, and I'll show you how to use this later. Well, I hope you enjoyed my HUGGER MUGGER yoga prop haul today. As always, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. Thanks, and have an awesome day. Bye.